how to make your PC run 5 times faster in step-by-step tutorial. Part 2. Let's go. Step 2. Disk Cleanup. Go to File Manager. In the left side of your monitor, click this PC. Right-click Local Disk C or to disk where your Windows was installed. Then select Properties. Click Disk Cleanup. Wait to load. In this dialog box, click Clean up System Files and wait to load. Click to check the batch of files you want to delete. Just follow the steps on this video to know what files that you can delete. Double check. Then click OK and click Delete Files. Wait to load. Close the dialog box. Now, experience your fastest PC more than before. Follow and subscribe for Part 3. For more videos like this, you may visit my YouTube and Facebook channel at JTech, Instagram account at Jazzer Salazar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.